Assalamualaikum. We are from Group K from Section 1. We are going to present about our system, which is KICT Alumni System. My name is Nur Ain Zulaika binti Jamaluddin. The aim of KICT Alumni System is to build a system that will be able to manage alumni data and provide easy access to the same. Alumni also can keep update about any event that will be held in KICT and also join them whenever they are available. The methodology that we use is the spiral process. The spiral model consists of 4 main stages, which are planning, risk analysis, engineering, and evaluation. We are implementing the spiral process model for our KICT Alumni System. In the first phase, the information and requirements are gathered by conducting interviews on several people pertaining to the KICT Alumni System, which is staff, lecturer, system, administrator. And the next phase, after the information are gathering, there will be a meeting regarding the potential risks that are likely to be faced. And the next, the engineering phase, the prototype is good. And the last phase, meeting will be held with everyone that involved in this project. The first requirements engineering activities is inception. We identify following stakeholders for alumni system for KICT, which are Dean of KICT, officer, developers, administrators, and alumni.
My name is Nurul Amira binti Abdul Halim. Now we move to the second requirement engineering activity, which is elicitation. The technique we use in this system is by interviewing the general office and other staff members in KICT. The questions are all about how the stakeholder and staff member contact with alumni and whether this new system gives benefit for them to stay connected with alumni. And then we compare with existing system. The existing system is built with innumerable Excel sheets that are created by each user. And the system is difficult to maintain on a regular and data can be lost too. Next, we move to the third one, which is elaboration. This is our use case diagram. In this use case diagram, there are 3 actors, which are alumni, KICT officer, and also administrator user. And this is our use case. Login, register as alumni, view event and schedule, register event, and also manage participant and event detail. And this is our contact diagram. And the last one, this is activity diagram for the main use case. This is user interface design for register event. Basically, this is the design phase before we proceed to the prototyping phase. So the first step, alumni need to log in this website using their own username and password. And then the system will show the home page of the system, and all the navigator bar will be on the left side of the website, and each navigator bar will directly display on the screen. And then when user click view event or schedule button, the form of event schedule will display. User can choose the event they want to join by click the register button. Then the list of events including the name of event, date, organizer, venue, and fee will show. And then after that, the user need to fill the details such as name, IC, email, phone number, and event name on the form of event to register the event. Then the user need to confirm the registration. Next, the system will display a pop-up message to inform user to make a payment for registration event. Lastly, the system display the registration is successful and give notification through alumni email.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Safia binti Ghazali Osman Taufiq. I will proceed to the prototyping phase. This is the main page for the KICT Alumni System. If user do not register as alumni yet, user need to click here and it will lead to register alumni form. User need to fill up all the details in the form and click save and sign up. Then user need to log in by using their username and password that they already choose. The user need to click login. This is the home page for the system. User need to click events button in the navigation bar to view all the events that we have. This is the list of the events. If, for example, if user want to know more about Global Entrepreneur Talk, user need to click more button. This page will show all the details about the event. And after user have read all the details, user need to click OK button. Next, if user want to register any event that they want to go, user need to click register event. There will be a form for user to fill as the participant. Then user need to choose the event name using this drop down list. For example, Global Entrepreneur Talk. And the date will be automatically shown by choosing the event. And user need to click confirm button. There will be an alert for user to make a payment for register an event. User need to click yes, and it will link to online transaction page. So after user has made the payment, it will automatically link back to the system, which will show a pop-up message that says a payment for Global Entrepreneur Talk is successfully registered, and user will get notification through email. So user need to click OK. And will bring back to the home page.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Hajar binti Burhanuddin, and now I'm going to present about feedback for this system. Okay, first, the user need to click at the feedback button at the left side of the system, and then the user need to fill in the feedback form. Let's say that for A, the user click medium, B, the user click high, and medium and low. Then the user need to click the submit button. After that, the user need to log out from the system. Okay, after that, for the manage participant, only admin can update the participant and event detail. So I will show you the difference between the alumni and admin system. And as you can see, the navigation bar only have a few which admin can see the event and admin can manage the participant. So let's say that for the event, admin set only for 40 participants, So only 40 participants can join the events. Same with the others. And then the admin will click the save button. So the admin will, after that the admin will click the log out after finish.